I'm going down to Quick Trip before it gets dark. I tore my brakes apart last night. Damn. Because my brakes weren't working. Weren't sounding right anyway. And I found out I was running basically metal to metal. Metal to metal is not good. No, it's not. Because I didn't have my inner brake pad far enough in, and I didn't have my other one working right, so they're kind of fighting each other. And yes, right now it's like 4:30 in the afternoon. About 15 degrees outside. 16 degrees. Yeah, and after I tore my brakes apart, I didn't know if I put them back together right or fucking anything. I didn't know anything about them, so I guess I have to learn. Yeah, you have to learn. Story of life. So I learned my inner brake pad sits still. My outer brake pad moves. So that's what I had to figure out. So now they should be set up better. Not sure if they're right yet. Now I don't hear nothing rubbing, so that's good. Guess what's holding back the bike. Oh, this fucking wind sucks. I always wonder what's pushing my bike, but the wind pushes. She's rubbing, she wouldn't coast as good as she's coasting. Yeah, it's a chilly day. You can see my breath. Yes, I'm gonna go down the snowy sidewalks. Snow and ice. Because the road ain't much safer. No, it's not. Oh. This is hard on a bike. On any bike. Because ice is like running across rocks. Yeah. At least today you probably shouldn't hear no squealing out of my brakes. If I figured it out. Plus I was basically bending my brake rotor because the wrong pad was, yeah, the wrong pad was out. Wow. Yep, all we got is a walking trail. It's a little bouncy because I haven't aired down my tires. My tires are still up on air. It's gonna be bouncy. Gotta stand up every once in a while. There, we got a clear sidewalk. Go again. Yeah, when I'm running down to the store, I don't have to know if I have a full battery or not. It's basically to come down here only doesn't even take a bar. At least it shouldn't. It's a chilly day. Yes, it is. Yes, as you can see, I barely touched the brakes and I slow down. Oh, tow truck hauling somebody away. Yeah, that's him making noise, not me. I'm always trying to listen for noises. You never know if you put everything back together right or not. Story of life. And we go, hey, did I do it right? Oh, I don't fucking know. Ooh, snow drifts. Drifting through the snow. On a two-wheel bike we go. Oh, bumpity, 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 bump. Nasty. There, stay out of the footprints. Don't worry, I'm lightly cold, but I'm not freezing. Not yet, my face is, but... Oh yeah, everything's back to lock. She's brand new. Yeah, my brake pads ain't even halfway down yet, so that's why I was wondering why they weren't working good. Oh, no cars. Good. Cut across. Semi-truck. Oh, it's chilly. And no more squeaky brakes right now, so I'm happy. Alright, stop you there. Yeah, I brought my lights with me, but I'm hoping to not have to use them or take them out of my bag. Hopefully I can make it home before. Yeah, everything seems to be running good. No fun when you have to tear your brakes apart because they weren't working right. And I've never taken these types of brakes apart, so no, I haven't. So it's kind of a new experience. And I didn't know that kind of hard to explain while I'm riding, but the screw that goes into my brakes, into the lever that moves, it's basically opposite thread. So tight to loosen and loosen to tight. So that's something I had to figure out with a spring, which kind of sucked, but I got through it. Put it all back together and thought that I fucked it up. Found out I didn't, so I guess. Didn't have no extra parts, so everything was good. Yeah, stay off your footprints. It goes pretty good. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Oh, lots of ice. That ain't no fun. Lots of ice ain't no fun. Don't worry. This bike is like 300 pounds with me on it. All together. So I'm like just under 250 and the bike is like 53 pounds. Oh, bumpy and ice don't mix. No, it don't. And it's chilly. I just wanted to, The bike's just like sounding too good. Really cold, but the bike is sounding good. Doing 15 miles an hour, which is the average when I'm down to like 3 bars. No cars coming. Right now I'm doing like 15 and I'm barely pedaling into the wind, so doing good. I know my GoPro, I don't like this. No, it don't. Yeah, slow down quick, which is nice. It's gonna squeal. Yep, right at the end. They don't like cold. They don't like having to grab in the cold. This 10-degree weather, everything's a little bit slow and cold. I ride up the sidewalk because I'm a little slower than... It just don't have the juice that it has in the summer. The power doesn't kick in. Here's a hill. Shifter down into third gear, level 4 power. 13 miles an hour up a hill. My rear might be dragging a little, I don't know. It doesn't sound like it, but it kind of feels like it. Oh, yeah. Fuck, it's cold, windy. You see the wind just blowing. It's freezing my face off.